uyaphiwa isnave so that uzokwazi ukuthi ucommunicate nabo. That's why nanoma siphahla uyakhona ukuthi uchithe isnave phansi noma ukhulume nabo through impepho nalawo makhandlela akho mawuphahla. Emakhosini, Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi, Kganya, umme Onikho khulumayo. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma snave. Yabona isnave namakhandlela asihlukanga. Zamba nabanikazi bazo, zamba namathongo azo. Ngengakhuluma kuma video lamanye, you can go and check ama video ami concerning ama candle readings, and then namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngesnave. Isnave mina I think ngisise ku matric. Apparently history yayo, my mother bega snave, and then also my sister ngiqale ngokuyitshontsha ngalesi esimnyama esithi inso. Yes, ngiqale ngokusitshontsha kancane ngisitshontshe, and then not knowing ukuthi ngempela ngelinye ilanga ngizawuphiwa isnave. Baningi abantu namhlanje bebangasibhemi thema bangena ku spiritual world bagcine sebangena kuso bangazi ukuthi kanjani. Kunezingane zikamoya ezibhema ungidlulisa mina namhlanje. Now, with me ngizokhuluma ngeexperience yami about isnave. Yes, it's a drug. It's a drug, kodwa spiritually kulaba abanceda abantu, spiritually kulabantu abahamba namathongo, abantu abadala bogogo nabomkhulu ababapha ama assignments, like whereby you are a healer, umlamuli, and also unceda abantu, you understand, spiritually. Yi-drug abathi cool off ngayo. Ayilaphi ayithini kodwa inceda wena as a spiritual healer to ease up, and i-communication yabo nawe ukuthi cool off kancane, because without this abaphiwe yona you won't function. Yes, iyi-drug in a way. Kakhulu mangisebenza like ngihlola abantu nani kancane gcine sekuba imess nje amathishu. Now with isnave ngaphiwa sona ngalehlela sona esincane, that was this taxi, and ngiyathanda lamabutho engihamba nawo wengelosi wamathongo because of awangifakanga ku risk. Ngizokhuluma iqiniso ke ithi ngintshele bantwana bakamoya, the secret about i-taxi iza i-sealed, ivalekile, kube khona lento le uyabona like ama cold drink la, I think abo 2 liter banayo, kuna lento evulekayo la eyellow. So ngoba ngizivulile mina ayikhona ukubonisa. So lesnave lesi ozongilinga ngisheshe ngimbone, cause amabutho wengelosi kwathiwa ngikhanyiselwe ngekhandlela ngoba ngiphiwe ikhandlela, only white candles, and also isnave noma insipho like powder soap. So with this snave ngalahlelwa sona ephushweni, kwalahlelwa yona itaxi le. Abaningi abangaphiwanga yona, that's why bayekile ngoba baba blocked, bathi yaba blocka ibayenzani. I'm still comfortable ngaso mina. So isnave lesi, it can be black, ziningi nabo red nabo blue nabo banibani namagama khona ziningi, kodwa ke the bottom line la ukuthi uyaphiwa isnave so that uzokwazi ukuthi ucommunicate nabo. That's why nanoma siphahla uyakhona ukuthi uchithe isnave phansi noma ukhulume nabo through impepho nalawo makhandlela akho mawuphahla uyaphiwa isnave. Uyayibona? So isnave yes, mangikhula it was I was addicted ngaso ukuthi ngiyasithanda, not knowing ukuthi ngizawuphiwa sona. So don't be confused about isnave ukuthi isnave isenzani. So siyakhulofisa ukuthi ungazitholi under pressure nani nani. Uyayibona into ezinjalo. Emakhosini, Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Amen.